Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we look at how the words we use affect the lives we live. I'm Scott Sery. I'm a copywriter, and I'm a lover of how we can take a word here and there in a sentence, twist them around just a little bit, and dramatically change the entire message that we're sending. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and by my company, Sery Content Development. There is a ton of buzz across the entire internet about a program called GPT. It's a very cumbersome name that doesn't just roll right off the tongue, but basically what it is it's AI copywriting. It's AI content creation. You give little instructions to the software, and then the software spits out a actually reasonable story that goes along with the instructions that you gave it. So you give them topics, you say use this kind of mood, use these names, however much you want to put in there. If you're in the writing community, and if you're in the copywriting community, I have seen a lot of people not really anxious about it, but a little bit worried that AI is going to take over the copywriting business and essentially drive all us writers out of work. I have two thoughts on that, and basically copywriting and writing industry is only going to get better with AI writing in place. So if you had the choice between, I don't even know how much these programs are going to end up costing, but let's say it's $100 a month, and you could just put in a few parameters and you'd have all the content you would ever need. Or you could hire a copywriter, and for $100 a blog post, which would be on the lower end of a good copywriter's rates, you could get one blog post. So $100 a month for 10,000 of them, or $100 a month for one. It's kind of a no-brainer for you, the business owner, to go with the AI program that is pumping this stuff out essentially for free. But why do you not want to do that? First of all, Google will eventually be able to see content that was created by AI. Google's all about enhancing the user experience. They want websites to rank at the top that have really good content that relates to what people are searching for. If you're posting 10,000 word articles every single day, you'll move up those ranks because you're grabbing all those keywords. But it's not it might not be what people want to read about, and so Google will start pushing those back down. So Google SEO aside, because that's a whole different realm that I'm not really involved with anymore, why would you not want this, and why would you want it? First of all, you would want it for those topics and those articles that are just talking about features of what you do. AI can write a phenomenal article about all the things an accountant can do, and a great one about all the reasons you want to have a personal trainer to get in shape. But what AI cannot, and hopefully will never be able to do, is recreate those personal stories and those individual experiences. People need to know a little bit of those, here's what we do and how we do it, here's the reasons why you need it. They need some of that, but what's really going to draw them in are those personal experiences, those individual stories, and those things that make your business less artificial intelligence and more a person and a thing and something that people want to experience and do business with. So, will ChatGPT and AI writing take over the world? They're going to have a really good foothold. But until robots can start reading our minds and extracting those personal experiences out, they're never going to replace well-written copy from a copywriter. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Say It with Scott. I hope you found some inspiration and education you can apply to your own business. If you need help getting those stories from in your mind onto paper, or in most cases onto the internet, hit the links in the description below. I'd be happy to help you. Before you go, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think about AI copywriting and where the industry is heading. But before you go, subscribe to the channel so you get notifications every time Strategic Advisor Board posts great new content.